Hello everyone. This is my first Facebook Live. I am really excited, a bit challenged, but I would really like to share with you all, as I promised, that I will be doing a Facebook Live and I'll be sharing 7 ways how to become happy, because happiness is the theme that we have chosen for this week. And it's a beautiful day, sunny, not hot. So yeah, thankful for that. So the first step towards happiness is that we all should know that happiness is a choice. We can choose to be happy or we can choose to be not happy. The second thing that we all need to know is that happiness is an attitude. It's a state of mind. It's an attitude. So you can decide that, okay, I'm going to be happy come what may. My attitude towards things will not depend on what happens to me, but I will have a positive attitude, and that's the whole concept that we build this page around. The fourth thing is gratitude. How do we become happy? As I've said, that it's a state of mind, it's choice, it's an attitude. How do we become happy is by practicing gratitude. We may not be having a good day today, whereas how can we remain positive and happy in that moment is by showing gratitude, by practicing gratitude. Be thankful for what you have, be thankful to what life has given you. The fifth step to be happy is to be present in the moment. That's a very simple thing, but most of us do not do that, because we all either go back in the past and think about things that have happened, and why did this happen, why did that happen, why did this person get it, why didn't I get it. And sometimes we even go to our future and think that, oh my god, things are going great, what my future is going to be, it's going to be awesome. And then sometimes we even feel sad by just thinking that, okay, things are not going the way I wanted them to be. I don't know if I will be able to provide for my family, or if I would be able to be happy in future. Whereas being present in the moment is the key to happiness. So if you can be present in the moment, you can actually be happy. The seventh step towards happiness is to eliminate. Sixth is to eliminate what is making you unhappy, and the seventh step, which is the final step, is to eliminate what is making you unhappy. So guys, the 7 steps to happiness: 1, happiness is a choice. 2, happiness is an attitude of mind. 3rd, happiness is a state of mind. 4th, how to be happy is by practicing gratitude. How to be happy is by being present in the moment. That's why today is called a present. The 6th thing is understand the things that make you unhappy, and the 7th is to eliminate. Please comment, share, or like my video, and I'll be happy to receive comments, compliments, suggestions. Over to you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.